What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and I got this package in the mail. It said TheJ Jordan. It's probably from Temu. I literally forgot all about it, but let's see what it is. I will go look and see what they are. Oh, no. I know what this is. It's not from Temu. It's from bowlingshoes.com. I got me some more bowling shoes. I have the green ones. I also have some blue ones, like little stylish blue ones for bowling. I also got some darker blue ones. So I got 3 new pairs of bowling shoes because when I went the other day, my shoe was tearing up on me. So now I got enough to carry me over. What else I got in here? But these is on bowlingball.com. Bowlingball.com. I got this right here. Let's see what's in here. This is a seesaw. I got a seesaw. Bowlingball.com seesaw money logo and a camo. So, you know, when I be bowling, everybody be trying to wipe and clean their ball. So I bought one. One of them, I bought one that came with 2 free. So, came with 2 free with the camo. And then the other one is the money one. The money seesaw, where you clean the ball, buy one, get one free on that one. So I'm gonna open it up real quick. I didn't know, I literally forgot about this. But let's see. So like when you open it up, you put your ball in. Put your ball in like this, and it clean your ball. It clean it, get the oil and stuff off. And then all you gotta do is just wash this later. But I got a total of 5. I told my partner I bowled with, I said I'll get him one of the camo ones since I got 5 total. I don't need 5 of them, you know what I mean? So I get him one. So but yeah, this is what I have that came in the mail. These are coming from bowlingball.com. So I got 5 seesaws to clean the ball and 3 pairs of shoes, the bowling shoes. And actually I get to pick which shoes I want to wear when I go bowl now. So until next time, peace and hair grease. I'll holler at y'all with some new gear when I go bowl in like 2 weeks. Holla.